If you're here, you want to know about bed bugs and how they can impact you at a hotel. To help avoid bed bugs during your next hotel stay, you can follow some steps at check-in. Knowing a little bit about bed bugs and their behaviors can go a long way in protecting you from falling victim to their bites. Bed bugs are small insects that will appear different based on the time of their life cycle. Young bed bugs may appear very small and white or yellowish or even translucent. The older the bed bug comes, the larger it will become, and it will turn a brownish color. If a bed bug has not recently fed, it will appear round and flat. Bed bugs that have recently fed will appear slightly elongated and oval in shape. While bed bugs can often infest hotel rooms in large numbers, they cannot fly or jump. Bed bugs will infest anywhere they can find food. Human blood is what they feed on. Keep in mind, humans stay in all kinds of hotel accommodations. Bed bugs do not care what hotel you're in, what city you are, or how nice of a hotel you picked. It does not matter if you're in a fancy resort or a roadside motel for $15 a night. Before accepting your hotel room, always search the room before you're going to stay overnight. Enter the room and start your search. Bring your luggage inside the room, place it in a bathroom or on a tile floor surface. Do not place your luggage on the bed, a chair, or a sofa. Do not unpack your clothes in a dresser or in the drawers. You will have some work to do ahead of you before you can begin your night. Bed bugs will be found in and around a mattress or a bed frame, and the best way to look for it is by stripping the bed apart. Inspect all corners of the mattress pad to make sure that no live bed bugs are crawling around. You may notice some black or brown coloration and spots on the mattress. That is bed bug feces. After inspecting the mattress pad, make sure to check out the mattress itself. Pay special attention to the tight seams of the mattress and of the box spring. Lift up the seams and carefully look inside for bugs, eggs, black fecal spotting, or red blood spots. You can either refuse to accept your room, or ask for a different room, or go somewhere altogether different. Although the name suggests it, bed bugs do not only infest beds. In fact, bed bugs will infest anywhere that they can find a human host to feed on. This also means chairs, sofas, and hotel rooms. It is often necessary to use a flashlight to properly inspect chairs and sofas. Take a light and look at a chair, look at the seams, look under the cushions if possible. Darker colored materials on the chairs or sofas make it more difficult to find bed bug evidence. A black colored chair will be almost impossible to find fecal spotting or blood spotting. Look carefully for small eggs, immature bed bugs, or bed bug shell casings. When bed bugs feed and grow, they shed their skins. If a room is visibly infested, adjoining rooms will likely be infested as well. Bed bugs can infest a hotel very quickly if there are not procedures in place to detect them early. Think about housekeeping staff that goes from room to potentially bring bed bugs with them. You may ask, what if I didn't find bed bugs when I checked in? Bed bugs are small, but they are not invisible, and they leave evidence of their presence. However, the average guest will not have the training necessary to look everywhere and as thoroughly as hotel staff or pest control experts can. A guest inspecting their room is not 100% guaranteed that bed bugs will be found and avoided. In fact, most hotel guests do not follow our advice and simply accept rooms right away. If you accepted the room and did not see bed bugs, how do you know if there are bed bugs? Bed bug bites appear in clusters and follow distinctive patterns. If you have raised, itchy marks on your body after spending time at the hotel room, you likely have been attacked by bed bugs. Bed bug bites themselves are painless. The saliva a bed bug injects into your skin causes an allergic reaction, which results in the red, itchy welts. Some people have a minor irritation or no reaction at all, while some people have violent reactions which require hospitalization. Bed bug bite marks usually appear within hours of receiving the bite. However, sometimes bed bug bites do not appear for several days after being bitten. In that scenario, it is important to look in the bed each day of your hotel stay, both before you lay down and when you wake up. If you wake up and see blood stains on the sheets or dead bugs, you know that there is an infestation and that you have been bitten. Bed bugs will bite anywhere they can find exposed skin. One way to reduce the chances of bites is to wear clothes with sleeves and long pants with socks to bed. This is of course not ideal, but if you're worried about bed bugs, any precaution can help. What do we do after we're bitten by bed bugs? Bed bugs are particularly terrible for hotel guests for many reasons. Most of our clients suffer from significant anxiety and depression after a bed bug attack. Bedbugs attack us when we are at our most vulnerable, asleep in bed. The thought of bugs crawling on us and eating us is too much for some people to tolerate. The physical bite marks of bedbugs will often fade long before the emotional distress of the attack. If you have been bitten by bedbugs at a hotel, it is important to document your experience. Take pictures of the bite marks on your body. If you saw bedbugs in the room, take pictures of them. Capture any bugs so you can bring them to the front desk and show management what you've found. Get the names of hotel staff you spoke to and document your conversations. Be careful about recording people without their knowledge or consent. Different states have different laws about recording others. Getting the hotel to admit the presence of bedbugs is very important to pursue a claim for your injuries. While most hotels will never admit they knew about bedbugs prior to your stay, it is important to document the cause of your injury as coming from bedbugs. In addition to reporting to hotel management, consider contacting the local health department. Each county will likely have a health department that regulates hotels and operations and maintenance practices. Often, contacting the health department will result in a follow-up inspection which could independently confirm the presence of bedbugs in the room. This information can be very useful during your claim. Who should you call for help with a bedbug injury claim? You can contact an experienced bedbug attorney who can help pursue an injury claim for your bedbug injuries. Physical injuries can range from minimal to severe and long-lasting. In addition to physical injury, people often dispose of any belongings that they're traveling with. Luggage, clothes, shoes, and other personal items could become infested and spread bedbugs to your home. Bedbug Law is available to discuss your potential claim and give you a free case evaluation. Visit bedbuglaw.com. Click Do I Have a Case? Or call us. We are here to talk to you. Know your rights when bedbugs bite. Made of dried blood.